Hi, myself R. Sai Subrit. I am mechanical branch. I am telling about JavaScript. JavaScript is a high level programming language used to create interactive web pages. Now I am explaining the concepts in the JavaScript. There are variables, arrays, functions, objects, loops. Now variables. Short data values in memory. In variables, use the variable let constant keywords to. Now syntax. Syntax are the where variable name equal to values. For these variables, examples are variable where equal to Java let in constant pi. Now another concept is arrays. Arrays, it is a ordered collection of element accessed by index numbers. Now for array syntax, constant array name, here in a square brackets item for n elements. For arrays example are variable number in square brackets 1 2 3 4 5. Another example for fruits, for strings we put arrows, and console log number square brackets 2. Output is 3. From arrays there are several methods: pop, shift, unshift, push, and so many. In pops used to remove the last element in the arrays. For array method shift used to remove the starting index element in an array. For unshifted, it is used an element at a starting index of the array. Or another method push used to add a element in the array at the last of the element. Merging array, we use function to merge two arrays. Example syntax array name dot conc array name. Joint, we can join elements in an array by using these methods. Length of the array, we can find the length if the array by using following syntax: array name dot length. One another concept is functions. For functions, usable blocks of codes that perform specific tasks defined using the function keys. It can parameters are and return values. For the function, syntax is function, function name, parameter, parameter 2, and so on. For example of functions, function provide function product a comma b, on return value a into b, then let x equal to product 10 comma 7, then output is 70. For another concept is objects. In objects, unordered collection of key value paired using curly brackets to create an access properties. Can store properties of different data types. A syntax variable object names property 1 value, property 2 value 2. For this example, where person give first name and last name. For console dot person first name. Another concept is loops. For loops, control flow statements that execute code repeatedly. There are common types includes for while and do while. It is used iterative statements. Here for and while loops are entered control loops, which means conducting will be given in the entire of the loops. Here do while loop is exact controlled loop, which means condition will be given the end of the loop. For the loop syntax, for loop, for initialization, condition, updation. Another loop is while loop. Initialization, while, condition. For do while, initialization, do, updation, while, condition. Example for loops. For for loop variable I equal to 0, then condition I less than 7, increment or decrement I plus plus. Here console.log I, then the output is 1 to 7 numbers. For while loop variable j equal to 3, given while condition j greater than 0, console.login, then output is